Alright, good morning. This is another one of those many uses of CRC brake clean. Good morning. We have an 05 Ford Focus. It has a lean bank 1 transmission code, vehicle speed sensor, and an intake runner control stuck open. So what I do is I use this to find vacuum leaks, and then what I'll do is we're going to look at the short-term fuel trim, 0 to negative, right? Short term is typically an idle issue. So then you're going to start spraying the suspected area. See how it started going deeper into negatives? And then I'll let it clear out. It'll take a few seconds. So I'll go back to where it's seeing the vacuum leak. -1 to 2. And then when you spray it on the vacuum leak area, the idle will change and it'll actually enrich in that. So there you have it. You can find short-term lean conditions with CRC brake clean. Be careful you don't spray it near spark plug wires that are arcing because it can catch on fire.